wish I could be in the game show.
Oh, I know, me too.
Shh, he's about to announce the contestants.
Max and Lily, come on down to the stage.
Max?
Lily? Whoa!
Wow, we're on TV! Welcome to the red versus yellow chocolate fountain challenge.
I love chocolate.
For this challenge, we'll be using a special kind of chocolate.
Whoa, yellow?
Red chocolate?
Are you guys ready for the first round?
Yeah!
Let's see what you get.
Ooh, giant candies?
Gosh!
Why don't you open up the candy, Max?
What? Oh, raisins.
I wonder if there's something in my squash. Whoa, I got Skittles!
Congratulations, Lily, you got the candy. Now it's time to dip.
Oh, I guess I'll go first. Oh, this looks so gross. Ew, that was disgusting.
Let me try mine. Ooh, it smells so good.
Great job, guys. Now let's go to the next round.
Yes.
What?
Balloons?
Let's pop the balloons and see what's inside.
Yeah!
All right, 3, 2, 1, pop it. All right, you guys, enjoy.
Yeah, I got M&M's!
What is this? Oh, is this Jell-O? Ooh! This looks so good.
Ew, you're so gross, Max.
Why don't you try yours, Lily?
Okay, I'm gonna take chocolate with my spoon and drizzle it on my M&M's. This is how you're supposed to eat candy, Max. It's so good.
Yeah, whatever.
All right, you guys, let's see what's next. Hey guys, this round we're going for a spin.
Ooh, I'll go first. Yeah, I got yellow.
Oh, I got red.
Let's see what food you got.
Taffy.
I got marshmallows.
Congratulations, Max. Since you won the marshmallows, you get the sprinkles.
What? No.
Yes.
Go ahead and dip your marshmallows.
Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Ooh, this looks delicious.
Can I have some, Max?
No way.
You have to eat your taffy, Lily.
I really don't like taffy.
Come on, Lily, eat it.
Fine. Oh, so gross.
Since you both tried your food, we can move on to the next round.
Finally.
Yes.
Take that chip off your shoulder, Lily. This next round's gonna be a blast. Pringles!
I love Pringles.
Ew, Lily, that's so gross. Let me show you how it's done. Oh.
I call that ingenuity. Let's see what we have next.
Yeah!
Now it's time for licorice tug of war.
All right, awesome.
You're going down, Max.
No way, you are.
All right, ready, steady, pull.
Yes, I won.
Great job, Lily. You get the golden sprinkles. As for Max, you get the penalty.
Oh, penalty? What is it?
You get the sour popping candy.
Sour candy and licorice? Oh no. Time to add popping candy. Oh no. Oh, so sour.
Time to try mine. Now let's dip it in the golden sprinkles. Ooh!
Are you guys ready for the next round?
Yeah!
Let's go! Are you ready for a sugar rush?
Ooh, more candy?
Yay!
All right, 3, 2, 1, click!
Ooh!
Oh, this lollipop's my favorite.
Stop right there, Max.
Huh?
You have to use all of the candy.
Haha, you have to use the sour juice.
Oh, man.
Hurry up, just do it.
Okay, I'm going. Yeah.
That was too good. Now time for a treat. This gummy burger's so cute. Let's dip it. #1 candy.
Hey guys, wasn't that sweet?
No.
Yeah.
Max, maybe you'll get lucky in the next round. I'm really looking forward to this next one.
Oh, eyeballs?
Ew, they're so squishy.
Here guys, dip them with these.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Enjoy.
Ew, my juice is leaking.
Let's go on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I guess I'll go first.
How is it, Max?
It's chewy.
All right, Lily, you're next. Great job, Lily. Did you guys like the video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.